Welcome back. In this video we will cover topics, basics of creating channels, sending and receiving data, buffered channels, and synchronization between Goroutines. First, let's talk about what channels are. In Go, channels are a powerful feature that allows Goroutines to communicate with each other and synchronize their execution. Think of them as pipelines through which you can send and receive a data. Channels are typed, meaning you can send the data of a specific type through a given channel. The syntax of creating channel is pretty simple. We can use make built-in function to create a channel, and inside we have to specify a value type of the channel. Let's look at an example. Here we have creating a channel ch that can transport integer. Now let's see how to send and receive the data using the channels. In this example, we launch a new Goroutine to send the integer 42 into the channel ch. The main Goroutine then receives this value from the channel and prints it. It's important to note that the arrow is used to send and receive data from the channel. The channels can also be buffered. Buffered channel has a limited capacity to hold values before they are received. Let's see how to create and use buffered channels. Here the channel ch is buffered with a capacity of 2. This means it can hold up to integers and before any receivers are required. We send the integers 1 and 2 into the channels and then receive and print them. Now let's discuss a common use case, synchronizing Goroutines. Channels can be useful to signal about completion between Goroutines. In this example, we use done channel to signal when the Goroutine has finished its work. The main Goroutine waits for the signal before continuing, ensuring synchronization. And that's it for today's video. We covered basic of creating channels, sending and receiving data, buffered channels, synchronization between Goroutines. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel.